A child who is getting bullied by the friends, it's important to handle that child very carefully. A bullied child would usually not interact with you, would be aloof, would have some signals that would tell you that the child is not behaving as usual. Now, once this bullying has happened, how do you help the child get out of that trauma? One important thing is to develop confidence in the child. Second important thing is to make sure to assure your child that the child who has bullied you has some pathological reasons for the same, and you need to treat that child with kindness because they don't understand your situation, and therefore they are doing it as part of compensatory behavior. Something that is not fulfilled in their life is coming out as a response of bullying another person's, and that must be explained to a child who is actually bullied. This would help retain confidence in a child who is bullied, and to talk to them, to have role playing with them, and tell them what would you do if I was in the same situation, how would you handle me. So those are some good ways of positively dealing with a child and bringing back the confidence and self esteem in the child.